Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Maserati MC20 and this is by CCA and this is from their premium series. So the scale is 1:61. Again, this is another thing I like about CCA, just like Tommy does. They are mentioning the actual scale instead of just putting 1:64 on everything. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So the last video which we did on the Utopia, honestly, after I put it on that rolling table, I totally forgot that I am supposed to stop that. I was just looking it through my viewfinder here on the phone, and I was admiring how beautiful that looks. I totally, honestly, I forgot to stop the video. But luckily, the moment I realized I was supposed to stop, it already completed one full rotation, so I went ahead and stopped it. Okay, so yeah, this looks really good. Let's just directly get into the casting. This actually feels really heavy. Okay, so here is the casting itself. It has some level of dust on it. I don't know how that actually happens inside a like protected box. But honestly, the casting looks really gorgeous. More specifically, this white. It is not a plain white. It is actually a kind of a glittery white. I'm just trying to showcase that to you guys. See, you guys need to tell me whether you are able to see those things because, again, right now I'm just seeing this through my viewfinder on my phone, and my viewfinder, I mean, my phone actually has a privacy display, so it is not 100% clear to me when I'm looking at it. So you need to tell me whether you are able to see that thing glitter. Okay, and it has headlight detailing to it. The Maserati logo looks, man, that looks gorgeous. The grill details and the Maserati logo embossed and painted on top here, awesome. And you can see the tail light detailing painted here, the Maserati logo here, and you can see the MC20 is mentioned in this number plate. It has exhaust detailing here, and again, this is a full metal casting. The chassis has a little bit of detailing to it, awesome. And it has rear view mirrors. You can see the engine detailing here, that looks really nice. I mean, I'm look I'm just trying to look above my phone, and I really like what I'm seeing here. That looks really gorgeous. I really wish I can open these things. Maybe let me try if that is actually doable. I don't want to break it. I think it is not doable. But still, I really don't worry about that. So the Maserati logo here on the sides and the air intake here, everything looks really awesome. And the interior on this one, I mean, they are really nailing with all these things. I mean, they are going out, all out. You can see this hood detailing here, that looks really awesome. They didn't paint it, they could have done that, but they actually gave some intent there instead of just painting it out, because Hot Wheels does that very often. So I mean, this is beautiful. And okay, my favorite thing here, the wheels on this one. I mean, this is unique to the specific casting. Man, they are okay. These Chinese brands are really, really awesome nowadays. So back then, I actually bought only one Centenary. If you guys remember, that's the one. That's the second one is 24 scale car I unboxed in my or reviewed in my channel. But I mean, that is not a licensed one. So I literally threw kept it in a you know I don't know how to say this, maybe unsafe spot, or it collected a lot of dust and I don't even remember now where it is. But I really regret that now, because that is, even though it is not licensed, but it actually had a lot of detailing to it compared to the licensed ones. So this looks really gorgeous. I mean, seriously guys, you guys need to give this brand a chance, like a real chance. You can see the grill detailing also here, that is like, that is, these are proper. I mean, like, it's not like just painted or just drawn or something like that. It is really neat. 44 grams, not bad at all. Okay, let's do a roll test now. That, honestly, that actually rolls better. Even though it didn't reach the end of the track, but still it rolls good in my personal opinion. See, I'm not going to play with it anyways, but still it rolls really good. I mean, that is a good addition to have in this kind of castings. And again, this is a full metal casting, nothing to worry about there. So I really love this engine detailing here. That's really neat. And the whole casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So I forgot to see if it has suspension. It does have suspension, and they actually really nailed it with this low ground clearance. I mean, usually Majorette really misses that part out like most of the time. So Tomica is a bit good on that part because this one you can see the Diablo that is actually sits low to the ground, and I think that actually has a suspension. Even all these things, except for this Gallardo here, I think these three have suspension. So I need to see my video once again for that. But so majority, like every majority here, you can see everything has a suspension, but some actually sits a bit higher to the ground because of the suspension. Okay, let's rate this casting now. Again, 10 out of 10, nothing to criticize about here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.